Hey y'all. A couple of days ago, my husband and I built an entrance into our Woodlands garden area, and I wanted to share that with you. So this is the look going down our driveway, and over to the left is our Woodlands garden that we started a year ago, really a year ago, but we did put a few things in it the year before that, but not many. But we're going to put an entrance, kind of a not really a pergola, but just kind of an entrance to show you that this is entering the Woodlands garden. Just something, I guess, kind of an arch type thing. And we're going to put it here between these two trees, the big tree here and the big tree there. You can see the two holes that my husband's dug for that. Okay, we didn't get video of it, but we got the 16-foot 6x6 post in the ground. We're setting them in concrete now. These are from my other brother's barn that, if you recall, when we were building the greenhouse back in January, February, he had a barn that was damaged by a tree falling on it. And so he was gracious enough to donate these to us. So these are going to be the main two beams here. We're going to cut them off. Obviously, it's not going to be 16 foot tall. Yes, we're using a disposable cooking pan as my paint reservoir as we're painting these. And of course, we're painting black because, you know, I think everything looks better painted black. I think I've about got my husband convinced on that too.
Yeah, maybe. Because I like the Rolling Stones.
Oh, okay. I don't know.
Black.
I don't know that meaning, but...
That's the song they got, Paint It Black.
Oh, gotcha. Okay. Okay, so we just cut the tops off the posts because they were too tall. Got them 10 foot tall from the ground. I know a lot of these are decorative, but I like it just squared off, more modern looking. It's kind of more in the fitting with the aesthetics of our home. All of this is going to get painted black.
Hand this to me. Hold on to this pretty good.
Good morning, and this is just kind of a recap of the project, walking up our driveway toward the end of the driveway to show you what the entrance looks like. I still don't really know if it's not a pergola, obviously. It's not a gate entrance. It's just kind of a defined entrance into our Woodlands area, and I love it. And I'm working on a sign to put here to announce the name of our Woodlands garden, which I have been working on. I've got two options that I have not totally decided on the winter yet, but it's kind of a fun idea to name a certain area of your garden. And you can see it looks beautiful there. It is nice and distinct in my opinion. I think the black looks great on it. I don't know, I would love to have some roses growing maybe along here up the trellis or up the post in the spring. I've got a David Austin rose catalog in the mail this week, but oh my gosh, they're gorgeous. But I'm not sure that they're actually going to get enough sun here. I know they have some that do better in less than full sun, so it does get quite a bit of sun in this spot, but not all day full sun. So anyways, just to show you what the project looks like after it's been completed, and just as a reminder, I think I said this earlier in the video, it is a 10-foot tall and it is wide enough. I believe it was 8 foot wide. It's definitely wide enough for Blue, our side-by-side, and the lawnmower, and even a truck to drive through it. It's pretty tight with the truck, but you can get through it. So we wanted to make sure that it didn't keep us from, you know, going through there with the mower or with the Blue. So hope you all enjoyed it. And again, I know a lot of them on Pinterest and other places have really decorative ends, but we decided against that. I like the more modern squared off version of it like this. And obviously it's an easier build because you're not having to cut all those intricate cuts. But yeah, and these posts here, just a reminder, those are the 6x6 posts that were donated by my brother. And so really all we had to purchase was these top pieces here and the little pieces going across the top. So not too expensive a project. And we also bought a gallon of paint, but we'll use that for lots of other things as well. So I hope you all have a blessed day.